Hello everyone, welcome back to another video. Today I will show you how to use quora for marketing. So for this, you will what to do for this marketing. You will have to open the quora application. So this is the interface of quora application. You will see someone posted, how can I make my brain sharper, smarter and lightning fast. So you will just have to answer it. So you will just go back home screen and open the browser. And affiliate marketing is a great for a startup or someone who wants to grow faster, who doesn't work to take the risk and spend money on marketing. So make sure you will have to spend money and then you will see the results. So this is why is affiliate marketing so difficult and frustrating for beginners. Affiliate marketing is no different, and thinking that way about it will take away a lot of frustration. In my experience, it takes about 6 months to feel like you have got the measure of the thinking whenever you start any job. So you give them time to for this. So hope this video help you. Please don't forget to like and subscribe and get notified for more videos.